Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Start Easy Knowledge. Today's topic is alphabet and letters. Before proceed towards the topic, one thing I must mention here: alphabets are in arranged form in order, and letters are in unarranged form. They are not in orders. Alphabet. What is alphabet? What are alphabet? Alphabet is the set of letters in fixed order. It is a set of letters in fixed order. Or we can say arranged set of letters is called alphabet, such as A, B, C, D, A to Z proper. These are alphabet. If they are in jumbled form, they are called letters. Letters, unarranged set of alphabet is called letter. So in alphabet they are in arranged form A to Z, and in letters they are in unarranged form W, T, U, A, D, Y, X, F, G, Z, Y, N, O, P, Q, whatever you want to write here. But the difference is alphabets are in arranged form and letters are in unarranged form. If we know more, alphabet or letters are divided into two parts: vowel and consonants. Now, how many vowels and how many consonants? A, E, I, O, U. From these alphabets, A, E, I, O, U. These are vowels, and rest of these consonants: B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y, Z. So total alphabets are 26. Vowels are 5 and consonants are 21. Alphabet and letters are same, but the only difference is alphabets are in arranged form and letters are in unarranged form. If we make a word, we cannot make it with alphabets. We make it with letters, such as room. This word has 4 letters. These are not in alphabetical order. We will call them letters. Thanks for watching. Subscribe my channel and like and share the video.